Thank you for choosing the Privacy Seal by Malish. Its unique flex finger grip design means no tape, no bolts, and no fasteners of any kind, ensuring a quick, easy, and secure installation. This video will show you step-by-step how to measure, cut, and install Privacy Seal. Tools required: pencil or marker, a tape measure, and a saw. Step 1. Restroom stalls come in two types. One has a round edge, and the other is a square edge. Check to make sure which one you need prior to ordering, as we offer both solutions. Step 2. Measure the latch side of the door first, from the top of the door to the top of the latch striker, as you see here. Next, measure from the bottom of the door to the bottom of the latch striker. Then move to the hinge side of the door and measure from the bottom of the top hinge to the top of the bottom hinge. Step 3. Measure, mark, and cut each section of the Privacy Seal, using either a hacksaw or miter saw. For the cleanest cut, we suggest using a miter saw with a minimum of an 80-tooth blade. Clean any rough edges with a utility knife or sandpaper if needed. Step 4. For installation, simply press each pre-cut Privacy Seal section into place. Once your installation is complete, you can be confident knowing you have provided complete privacy when it's needed most. Because, let's face it, eye contact in a restroom stall, however brief, is always awkward. We hope this instructional video was helpful, and thanks for watching. For more information, visit malish.com.